Hi everyone, this is me Saminzee. Welcome to my channel somycrafty. I am here with another beading tutorial. Today's tutorial is about an elegant beaded jewelry set. We will make earrings, ring and pendant with oval shape, dark purple color stone. You can see on your screens. This tutorial has basically two parts. In first part we will paste these fancy stones on felt with glue gun, and we will paste around these stones rhinestone chain, or you can call cup chain. And in the second part we will do needlework. We will add beads around these stones to embellish these stones, and we will give final shape of jewelry to these beaded stones. So this is very interesting in video, and at the end you will see how beautiful jewelry can be created in this way. Using felt and pasting technique, we will make very beautiful jewelry. Here you can see this is the stone, and we will paste on its back with glue, and then we will paste the stone on piece of felt. We have pressed it, and we have to paste this rhinestone around this stone. We will cut these chains pieces into small pieces, and we will paste this chain around these stones. We have to cut these chain pieces according the size of our stone, and then we will paste with glue gun these chain pieces on felt around our stone. As you can see on your screen, we have pasted the pieces of chain around our fancy stone, and after pasting we will let it dry, both things, stone and chain. We will give some time for dryness, and then we will cut. Next step is cutting the extra felt around these pieces. We will cut with sharp scissor extra felt. And now, after cutting and pasting and cutting, now we have to start needlework, beads work around these stones. As you can see, we have to add seed beads and crystal beads around these stones to embellish with beads, and we will give this final shape of jewelry. We are making, in first step we will make a beaded ring. Now you can see in this way around this stone we are adding beads with needle and thread, and all around these stones we will add beads, seed bead and crystal beads, and we will embellish this stone. We are passing our stitches through felt around these stones. You can see we are making stitch through, passing through felt, and we are adding our beads, and we are making brick stitch around these stones. In brick stitch we are adding these beads around our stones. One crystal bead, one seed bead, one crystal bead, one seed bead. In this way we will complete this step of adding seed beads and crystal beads around our fancy stone to embellish this stone. And after completing this beads work, we will complete our beaded ring, adding beaded band to this ring. Very interesting technique of jewelry. You can see we have completed beads work around this stone. This stone, fancy stone, is basically stitchable stone. So we are adding 2 seed beads on its holes. So we will hide its holes by adding 2 seed beads. And now this step is complete. Now we will add more embellishment to this beaded part of ring. We are adding silver bicons. Silver bicon beads will be added between crystal beads. So we are adding bicons passing through crystal beads which we added in the last round. So you can see this round is completed, in which we added bicons. Now we will add a band to our ring. We will complete by adding this band, this beaded ring, and very simple band we are adding to this ring. Very easy. In right angle weave we are adding seed bead 8. We are using seed bead 8, silver seed beads for rings band. And now it is completed. After making a beaded ring, now we have to start earrings making. You can see this is a pasting papers piece. We have to paste our stud pin on this paper, and we will paste with jewelry making glue this stud pin to this pasting piece of paper, which we have cut according the size of our stone. According to the size of stone, we have to cut this piece, and we have to paste our stud pin on this piece, and then we will paste this piece with stud pin on back of our earrings beaded base. We have to make a beaded base for earrings following the same steps we taken for beaded making for earrings. Following the same steps, have to paste stud pin on its back to make earrings. And now I will show you, following the same steps, making a basic beaded part for pendant. We will make a sparkly pendant very easily following the same steps. We have made this beaded pendant. You can see on your screens now the final looks of today's project: beaded jewelry, beaded ring, beaded earrings, and beaded pendant. You can see we have added a beaded chain to our lovely pendant. You can add very easily this handmade beaded chain to your pendant. It will look very pretty, and it will give a different look to our pendant. And now these are the final looks on your screens. You can see this is our lovely beaded sparkling ring which we made today, and you can make with a different color stone with different color beads of your choice this jewelry using this pasting technique with beadwork embellishment. I hope you would like this tutorial, and if you like my work, so don't forget me, Saminzee's channel, somycrafty. I'm waiting for your subscriptions, your likes, your nice comments. So don't forget your own channel, somycrafty, and enjoy these final looks of today's tutorial. I will say bye now. Take care of yourself and stay connected with somycrafty channel for more tutorials, beading tutorials. So I will say bye now, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.